Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, updated OBS and GPU drivers, and a clear capture goal. Once done, create a new scene and add a source immediately. Choose display for full screen, window for one app, or game capture for exclusive full-screen games. Make sure your base, canvas, resolution, and FPS match your intended output. This prevents scaling artifacts later. Also set a meaningful scene name so you can switch quickly. These first steps get you recording ready and avoid common mismatches between capture and output. Now configure audio routing and encoding to balance quality and performance. Start by selecting desktop audio and mic/aux in settings audio, then test levels in the audio mixer so sources aren't clipping. Reduce or add gain filters if needed. Next, go to output and choose an encoder. Use hardware NVENC or AMF to offload CPU or X264 for maximum control. Set bitrate according to resolution. For 1080p aim around 4500-6000 kbps. Finish by validating your settings with a full-length test recording. Use the preview and record a minute while performing typical actions, then inspect audio-video sync, frame drops, and file size. If you see dropped frames or stutter, make incremental changes. Lower FPS from 60 to 30, reduce bitrate, or switch encoders to hardware. Also verify game mode or background apps aren't stealing resources. One quick troubleshooting tip. Enable the stats window to watch encoder lag and dropped frames in real time, which points directly to CPU, GPU, or disk bottlenecks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.